Welcome to week 4. This week we are going to be painting lots of different things. If there's anything at all around your house that you feel like painting, do it this week. This week I will be painting some shoes, some hats, maybe just one, maybe two, I don't know. A person. I want to paint a garbage can to look like a pop can, but I don't have any perfectly cylindrical garbage cans, and the only one that was at the store today was broken, so I couldn't buy it. Oh yeah, I was asked to paint these two glass things. They're like rounded triangles. They want them painted to have the Fender logo on them, so they look like picks. I think that's a really cool idea. I'll do that this week. I'm also expecting a Jackson Dinky Minion electric guitar in the mail this week, so I will be painting that as well if it shows up. This week's gonna be so much fun, full of random crazy crap. I am very excited for it. All you need is paint, your brushes, and some things to paint on, and then some stuff to clean your brushes with as well. I've painted murals on walls before. That was really fun. I would love to do that again. That's a much bigger project though. It's not a very quick thing. I also would love to paint a mailbox and a mailbox post. I would love to paint a table or a dresser or a desk of some sort. I think that would be fun. Or a door. I'd love to paint a door. I've painted on fabric like totes and shirts before. I've painted shoes, that's my favorite. I've painted my hat. I'm gonna paint another one of my hats soon, but not this week. I'm very excited to see how this turns out. I can't wait to see your work, and I'll see you later.